This presentation is for the second article that I am including as part of my annotated bibliography, and it is on understanding young adults' report of contact with their parents in a digital world, as in the psychological and familial relationship factors. The study was conducted by Stein and others and published in 2016 in the Journal of Child and Family Studies. And the study, it's an examination of college students' reports of their frequency of the contact with their parents with the use of various communications technologies. The sample comprised of 326 students who were currently studying in a Midwestern public university, with approximately 62% being female and 38% being male. The authors, they chose to include only those young adults with intact families so as not to complicate results with the emotional impact of family breakups. So the students, they were recruited to participate in the study by way of announcements in psychology classrooms at this medium-sized university in the Midwestern US, and participants then, they earned a research credit in their psychology classes. The participants, they completed several measures which allowed for the determination of frequency and type of contact with parents, the parental relationships, family satisfaction, depressed mood, if applicable, self-esteem, and psychological well-being. So the specific tools that they used to measure each of these criteria, they were indicated in the methods section of the paper. So some of the most popular communication methods were actually calling, talking over the phone, texting, and emailing. And then followed quite a bit behind those, other methods used included social media, video calling, online chatting, and private messaging. Now, it seemed that the frequency of overall contact with parents, it was not the main focus of the study. However, results showed that both male and female participants, they equally had greater contact with their mothers than their fathers, which was a very interesting result. Beyond that, correlations between frequency of contact and the other measures were analyzed. Now, it appears that the only strong correlation with frequency of contact is with that of feelings of obligation and overall family satisfaction. Interestingly, no significant difference was found between a student's overall psychological state and frequency of contact. So I thought the study was quite interesting in that it looks at contact initiated by the student and not by the parent, which is the focus of most studies that look at this kind of thing. And the results obtained in this study, it identifies the mother as mediator of family connectedness, as both males and females equally contacted their mother more frequently than their father. So the frequency of contact then appears to be moderated by feelings of obligation and family satisfaction. The authors, they do recognize that their research design cannot address questions of causation, but it's nonetheless valuable in revealing the initiative taken by students to contact their parents, and illustrates the role that mothers take within the intact family unit. One question that does arise from the method is whether students with heightened emotional states, both positive and negative, may have been excluded from the study by the possibility that they weren't in class when participants were sought out.